We begin with breaking news. Now, Kern County is one step closer to reopening, and that's because the Kern County Public Health Department announced effective immediately, it'll no longer enforce the orders that closed businesses and shut churches down as well. 17's Aton's Wallace spoke with one county supervisor this evening and joins us with what this means.
Yeah, good evening. Tonight, the county officially rescinded its coronavirus pandemic order. Now, in order to understand what this means, I have to take you back to March 19th. That was the day Governor Gavin Newsom issued the statewide stay-at-home order. 2 weeks later, on April 2nd, the Kern County Public Health Department issued its own order, which in essence said the county will enforce the governor's order by issuing fines, jail time, or both to non-essential businesses who decided to stay open in violation of the governor's mandate. Well, tonight, the Kern County Public Health Department has rescinded its April 2nd order. In a statement, Public Health said the decision was made in part after the governor announced last week the state may be not weeks, but days away from changes to the statewide order. Kern Public Health spokesperson Michelle Corson said, quote, "In anticipation of the governor's transition of reopening of the economy, we want the county to be positioned so we can quickly maximize our local response and clear the way for the changes ahead." The statement went on to say, "We want businesses to open safely and responsibly and as quickly as possible when the governor lifts or modifies his orders." 4th District Supervisor David Couch makes very clear this means the governor's order remains in place, but Kern will no longer use its resources to enforce it.
In a nutshell, I think what the governor's order was attempting to do was to flatten the curve, the famous curve. I think we've been successful doing that here locally. We have very, very few people in the hospital. We have more people now that have recovered from COVID-19, thankfully, that are isolating at home. But here's a reminder that the governor's order is still in effect, but how it will be enforced, we're not so sure.
To be clear, Kern County Public Health is asking those in the Golden Empire to continue following the governor's orders and social distancing guidelines until Newsom officially modifies them. Meantime, State Senator Shannon Grove came out in support of tonight's decision, calling it a responsible way to move forward. Kern County Public Health is expected to provide more details at its press briefing on Monday morning. Reporting in Bakersfield, Aton Wallace, 17 News.